Hi everyone, konnichiwa. Thank you so much for watching as always. Today I'd like to share a little bit of my everyday life after work. I hope you enjoy spending this relaxing time with me. Hi everyone. So cooking class is over. Now I'm going to make a lunch. It's around 2 2:29, so about 2:30. I introduced Musubi Kirun the other day with using their products. I'll make a lunch. Ichiju-Sansai lunch today. Okay, let's do it. I want to eat side dishes a lot today, so I prepare miso soup, rice balls, a small plate, small, and this is from my collection. For today's main dish, I made 2-color soboro rice with seasoned minced chicken and scrambled eggs. It's one of my family's favorites. It has a touch of ginger, which gently warms up your body. For the side dishes, I prepared a hijiki seaweed salad with cucumber and tomato. And this is a harusame salad, a glass noodle salad, which is my daughter's favorite. I do too. And some pickled cucumber, cabbage, and eggplant. And a miso soup with cabbage, spring onion, and pickled plum. Do you drink miso soup? Please tell me what your favorite ingredients. For tea pairing, I chose Yuka's tea, Tosacha, grown in Kochi Prefecture. This is a type of roasted green tea called hojicha in Japanese. It's honestly so good. Maybe the best hojicha I've ever had. I recommend. So lunch is ready. Itadakimasu. You can find all recipes in the description box below. Let me know which dishes you found easy and delicious. And as always, I take a little nap afterward. Apparently, taking too long of a nap isn't good for you. Here's my dog Luigi. He loves resting his chin on a cushion. That's his little ritual. For dinner that day, I made miso ramen. Our supervisor, Sui-chan, loves peeling boiled eggs. So that's her official job.
冷たくて気持ちいい。
上手になりました。Miso ramen is a Japanese ramen that originated in Hokkaido. Have you ever tried it before? If you're interested, please give this video a like or let me know in the comments. The secret to a good miso ramen is butter. It makes the soup so rich and flavorful. It looks like she accidentally mixed the eggs and with the green onions. And now, please enjoy a few of my daughter's funny faces. Suddenly, her YouTube switch turned on.
皆さんこんにちは、すいです。今日はジャパニーズクッキングのリカさんとコラボしてます。
Meanwhile, I quietly focus on plating. I'll start placing the toppings: green onions, bamboo shoots, and Naruto fish cakes, one by one. While my daughter adds some wheat gluten toppings, I place the half-boiled egg. Supervisor Suchen, she's still focused on decorating. I poured in the soup, added some seaweed, and sprinkled a few arare rice crackers. And it's done. Whistling while cooking, that's her style. Our miso ramen is ready to serve. That's how we wrapped up our Friday night. 皆さんこんにちは。今日は土曜日です。今日は疲れてしまったので、そうめんを作っていきたいと思います。頑張るぞ。Next day, Saturday evening. Time to make somen noodles. First, I slice some shiso leaves. They are one of my favorites, perfect for tempura or as a topping. It has a refreshing, minty flavor, so even adding a little to simple cucumber pickles really brings out the taste. Then I cut up some inarizushi tofu pockets. They're so convenient. You can use them for udon, soba, or sushi, so I always keep some on hand. Do you know these inarizushi tofu pockets? Do you have it in your fridge? If yes, please let me know. I use frozen okra this time. Sticky okra goes perfectly with somen noodles. Since I freeze them ahead of time, I just defrosted them in a microwave. Okra doesn't show up very often in my kitchen. How do you usually use it? Please let me know in the comments. Do you know what this is? It's natto, fermented soybeans, one of Japan's superfoods. And yes, very sticky. This time I'm using Ibonoito, a popular brand of somen noodles from Japan. It's made in Tatsuno City, Hyogo Prefecture, using a traditional hand stretching method that has been passed down for generations. The noodles are carefully made over 2 days. They are stretched by hand, air dried, and aged, giving them a smooth texture and a firm, chewy bite. Only high-quality wheat flour and salt from Akko, a region also known for its salt production, are used. This gives Ibonoito somen a gentle sweetness and a refined flavor. After being made, the noodles are aged for a certain period before shipping. This process makes them even smoother and helps prevent them from becoming soggy. When I'm busy, I use store-bought noodle sauce. But if you'd like to make your own, I've shared my soba dipping sauce recipe in the description box. Please check soba tsuyu or mentsuyu recipe. To dilute this soba tsuyu, I use this silica water. It comes in a pouch, so it's super easy to carry around. I didn't really used to drink much water, but after trying this product, I realized how good water can taste. My strong son helps me with the ice. He's almost as tall as me now. I think he will pass me next year. Uh-oh. Now time to get ready for serving. I have a few trays, but this size is just perfect for everyday use, and I really like it. And recently, I got this divided plate. I chose 4 different colors so that each family member can easily tell theirs apart. It's really convenient for breakfast or for meals you want to keep simple and quick. For toppings today, I chose fried tofu, natto, and okra, and Japanese basil shiso. The somen noodles are done cooking. Since they're for cold somen, I rinse them with water to cool them down while draining off the hot water. My son loves natto, so I put it a lot for him. When it's hot in summer, my family tends to lose their appetite. But cold and smooth somen noodles are always a big hit in our home. They often appear on our dinner table. This time I chose the toppings myself, but when I line up a variety of colorful ingredients, like shredded egg crepes, kinshi tamago, the kids seem to enjoy both the look and the taste. After rinsing the noodles again, I loosen them gently and serve small portions, rolling them into bite-sized swirl for my daughter. Rolling each one carefully with a fork can be a bit time-consuming, but it's for the kids, and knowing that these moments only come once makes it truly special. If okay, please share your special moments. Then I add chopsticks for everyone's plate. By the way, have you ever tried somen noodles? Soba, udon, and ramen are all quite popular, but somen is a bit more of a hidden gem in Japanese cuisine, so I was curious. Top the somen with finely cut seaweed, and it's done. First, we enjoy it simply with noodles and dipping sauce. Then, for a little flavor change, we add shiso leaves and thinly sliced tofu pockets. That is for today's vlog. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one. Mata ne! Bye! This cat imitates what she says.
It's cat. It's cat.
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 Cute.
Cute.
Cute, cute, cute.
굴굴굴굴. 아.
구르구르. 야호.